Hello guys, welcome to eTrainer Box. Today we will discuss about COUNTIF and COUNTIF's function. In simple count function, you just simply calculate how many number of items available. But in COUNTIF and COUNTIF's function, you can give the multiple criteria to calculate how many specific items available. For example, first of all, we will discuss about COUNTIF function. In this table, there is a list of fruits and different items of fruits available. So firstly, I'm using COUNTIF function here equal count if bracket. Then I will give the range, that is C3 to C14 comma. Then I will give the criteria which is mentioned here in C17. After that, I will close the bracket. When I close the bracket, then you will see that how many bananas available in the list, that is 3. If I change the item here, for example, oranges, Excel will calculate the number of oranges available in the list, that is 3. Similarly, if I select the apples, then Excel give you the number of counts for apples. In COUNTIF's function, Excel will allow you to give more than one criteria and count the data as per your choice. For example, in this table, there is a list of fruits and its type. Now here I am using the COUNTIF's function. For example, equal COUNTIF bracket. Firstly, I will give my first criteria range, that is F3 to F14, then comma. Then I will give my first criteria, which is F17, again comma. Then I will give my second range, that is G3 to G14, and lastly I will give my second criteria, which is G17. After that, I will close my bracket. When I close my bracket, then you see that I select the bananas and its type Cavendish, then Excel give me count is 2. If I change my type here ladyfinger, then I will get my count is 1. Here I will change bananas to oranges, and here I will change the type of oranges. For example, Florida, I will get the count 1. If I select the second type, that is navel, then I will get the count of 2. Guys, if you like my video, then hit the like button and share it, and don't forget to comment it. Thank you so much.